about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。哎呀，不见了，东西不见了。
什么不见了？
我跟你讲，这个月呢，我们就是要教不见了。It's gone. I can't find it. How do you say that first of all?
唔见睇。
Okay, that means it's gone. And this happened to me just a few months ago.
什么事？
我跟你讲，钱包掉了就算了，赶快可以报银行遗失。护照，而且不是在出国前，是在出国中的时候啊。Oh my God, that is so 很惨啊。I lost my passport while I was on a trip to the United States, and it was such a hassle, of course, right? But anyways, let's teach you this scenario, okay? Let's say you lost your passport. Passport, 护照怎么说？护照 Okay, that means a passport. 我当时护照不见了，第一件事情就是一直翻行李啊，每一个行李，对，包包什么都翻了，全部都丢出来了，倒出来了。对 ，First thing you might search is your luggage. So let's teach you how to say luggage. 行李，行李 ，That's your luggage. 然后呢？最蠢，但是呢也很幸运，就是说啊是在口袋里面。但是我好希望我的状况是这样。后来我还要去那个政府单位里面再去补发等等。But sometimes when we're searching for things, it doesn't have to be a passport. It could be your pair of glasses, and you actually have it on your head. You had no idea. Or sometimes you have your keys. It's in your pocket. And you go, oh, 口袋里啦，找到了啦。
口袋还有分衣服的口袋还是裤子的口袋啊？
A pocket. How do you say 口袋？
口袋我们刚才讲了分衣服跟裤子，所以如果是在衣服的口袋，我们会说衫拖耶。
哦，衫拖耶。If the pocket is part of your shirt, it's called 衫拖耶。
如果在裤子的话叫褲拖耶。
哦 ，if it's part of the pants, then it's 褲拖耶。
那海陆腔也是衫拖耶，
衫拖耶，
褲拖耶，
褲拖耶，然后扶着臀儿那样子那种感觉，对。That's a different dialect for saying the pockets. Let's make a sentence now. Let's 干脆就叫很不好意思的，在我口袋，而且在我裤子口袋里面这样 ，OK？ It's in my pocket, in my pants, all right？
都挨嘅，褲拖耶肚啦，
褲拖耶肚啦，
就是在我的裤子口袋。
所以都挨嘅，褲拖耶肚啦啊 ，sorry。
可能你的裤子太大件捞不到。
Yeah, all right. Let's review all these phrases here. 护照 passport. 护照 and then your luggage 行李 行李 and your pocket. 衫拖耶，褲拖耶 It's all about it's gone. 不见了。唔見睇。There you go. That's another edition of Practical Hakka.
什麼太講？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.